Hello, students. A very good morning to all of you. You are most welcome here. This time, in this video, I'm going to summarize the poem from the book Flamingo, My Mother at 66. This is a very interesting poem composed by the poetess Kamala Das, who was born in Malabar, Kerala, and the poetess is especially recognized as one of India's foremost poets. Her works are known for the originality, versatility, and the indigenous flavor of the soil. मीन्स यू कैन से दैट कि जो उनके पोएम्स थे, जो उनकी राइटिंग्स थे, उसमें भारतीयता के सिंबल दिखाई देते थे। उसमें स्वदेशी गुण, स्वदेशी रस उसमें दिखाई देते थे। उसमें ओरिजिनलिटी थी, उसमें वर्सटैलिटी थी, क्वालिटी थी। Now, this poem, My Mother at 66, is a poem which shows the growing age of human being. And the growing age is how much painful at the old time for the people who is growing old. Have you ever thought what our elderly parents expect from us? Here in this poem, the poetess, now she was driving from his parents' home to Cochin, and at that time her mother was sitting beside her, so she was very close to her at that time. So she noticed the physical appearance of her mother, and she is extremely disappointed to see her mother's appearance. The poetess says that her mother was dozing at that time due to weakness, due to old time. Her mouth was opened and her face was grey like the color of ash, and the body seemed like the corpse, like the dead body. Means all these things, all this quality appears at that time due to the old effect of the body. Now she was, means the poetess was extremely stunned to see the pitiable condition of her mother, and very painfully she started to gaze her mother again. It seemed that the poetess mother is looking so old and she has lost herself in some views, as she is looking senseless at that time. She has no sense about the this world, about the world's brightness. It seemed at that time that her mother was thinking about another world. And now, just after it, the poetess tried to see the outside of the world except of her mother. At that time she found that all the trees, saplings are growing very rapidly. There is great changing in the environment of outside. Everything was changing, everything was growing rapidly, but only her mother's condition is decreasing day by day. It suggested the poetess that everything will be grow in their own way, but our body will be decrease just after the age, half age of our lifetime. Now, when they reached at the airports, the security started to check them, and they were standing a few yards away. Once again, uh, the poetess noticed her mother very closely, that and she realized that like the season changed, and in the spring season we realizes newly environment, newly energy in our surrounding. Like that, our body also appears, also has a great brightness in the young time, but day by day it loses its glows, its glamour, and once the time comes, we have to stand on the edge of the same condition, like that the mother was looking at that time. Now, this was the time of the departure for the poetess mother, but she is extremely disappointed to see the pathetic condition of her mother, and now she expects that she will meet again in the future very earlier. And having these ideas, finally they departed to each other, but in the heart, in the mind of the poetess, the scene, the attachment, the sympathy for the mother was increasing uh, time by time. So, this is the poem related to our life cycle, how we uh, get changing in our life after the each step, from youth, from childhood to youth to old time. This is the cycle of our life, and uh, we have to change ourselves according to the timing, according to the age period. This is the natural fact, and this is the effect of nature, and we have to accept it. Okay, this is the summary of this poem, students, and in the next video we will read this poem line by line. Okay, thank you everyone.